destination, put this skiff up on plane, and head to the Dauphin Island Marina. This is what I like to call a target rich environment. It's got an old sheepshead here, got a lot of boxes on it. It's got the marina, docks, poles, lots of structure. That's what we need today. That's as good as it gets right there. Sheepshead can't resist it. Fish on. There we go. Barely but. And that's why they're sheepshead. It's gonna be 15 and a half. Make a good fish taco. Put them in the cooler. Let's do it again. At least we got the skunk out of the boat. We can fish now. Don't be a kitty cat. Alright, we're gonna get us a sheep. Gotta be 12 inches to the port in the state of Alabama. Take them up front so I can take a look at it. The rod holder, I believe he's gonna get it. What you think? Oh, little teeth. He's flossing his teeth with my net. There you go, buddy. Couldn't lay on the bottom about 5 seconds. Let's go measure you. So in the state of Alabama, these are measured to the fork. Let him show out for a second. Then pick him back up. He's ready to behave now. Alright, so we got 16 and a half. We got one in the ice chest. You can keep 10 per person. I think I'm gonna need at least 2 for them tacos. So let's keep them. The old kitty cat. That's not what we're after. We have to take what we get. You hear him laughing at me? him away from these poles, because once we get him out here in the clear, I can net him. I won't worry about him getting hung up and getting lost. It is not what we are after today. Keep getting eaten by the cat. There he is. We got his attention. Wrong one. Alright. Once is a fluke. Twice is a coincidence. And 3 times is a pattern. We're moving again. We've had in a while there. That is going to take some doing. At least he's measurable, because I'm afraid I might kill him getting that hook out. But if so, we can eat him. Not bad. Put him over and see what he measures. That is a set of chompers. Rebait. Felt him bite. He stole it. That's why they call them convicts. I'm gonna put him in the boat. Bad, smallest one of the day, but I bet he still measures. Get my hand under here and walk him over. Alright, we have 12 to the fort and we are 15. I think that'll be the last one we keep for the day. We got enough for tacos tonight, but it was a pretty successful day. Beautiful fish. Beautiful day, weather. Thanks for watching.